Today, we're diving into two of the most recognized prepaid carriers in the US, Straight Talk and Tracfone. And if you've ever wondered which one is right for you, you're in the right place. I've spent a lot of time working with electronics and network devices, and I'm going to break this down using a hands-on, real-world perspective. I'm going to try to keep the fluff to a minimum and let you know what really matters for coverage, plans, devices, and who really benefits from each service. So, to start, a quick little note on how these companies are related. You might think that Tracfone and Straight Talk are totally separate, but they're both part of Verizon's value portfolio. Tracfone was acquired by Verizon in 2021, and Straight Talk is in the same family, mostly operating through retail partnerships like Walmart. Because they share the same network, coverage is usually pretty similar, but the plans, pricing, and target users are different. Tracfone focuses on flexible, cost-conscious plans, while Straight Talk is geared more towards unlimited data users who want convenience and a few extra perks. Understanding this relationship can help explain why they behave similarly in some areas, but differently in others. Coverage is critical. Both Tracfone and Straight Talk run on Verizon's 4G LTE and 5G networks, which gives them pretty good nationwide reach. In our testing, devices perform well in cities, suburbs, and most rural areas as well. Here's the thing. Signal strength is just one part of the equation. During peak hours, a lot of times prepaid phone users get deprioritized compared to users on a postpaid contracted phone plan. This means that even if your bars are full, your speeds can drop slightly when the network is congested with a lot of users. And from experience, Tracfone is pretty solid for light to moderate users. Some texting, browsing, or light streaming, and you really don't have an issue. Straight Talk is a little bit better, especially on their higher tier unlimited plans, for heavier data loads, especially if you are streaming them more consistently. So if you're streaming a lot or tethering multiple devices for work, Straight Talk is more often more reliable in practice. But if you don't have these heavy data streams, then you will have no issue with the Tracfone service. Now, let's talk money. Tracfone offers tiered prepaid plans starting as low as $15 a month for 1 gigabyte or $20 a month for 4 gigabytes, plus the unlimited Tracfone Freedom plan that's around $45 a month with 15 gigabytes of Hotspot. The real advantage here is flexibility, and the unlimited carryover feature, which lets unused data, minutes, and text roll over, is a very useful key. Multi-month plans reduce further hassle and cost and still let you cancel on a short-term basis if needed. Now, Straight Talk is structured around unlimited service. Their bronze, silver, gold, and platinum tiers range from $35 a month up to $65 a month, with increasing hotspot allowances and perks like cloud storage or Walmart Plus benefits. If you need high-speed data across multiple devices, Straight Talk's approach is simpler because you don't have to track exact data usage. So if you like control and predictability, then Tracfone is probably the option for you. It's simple, nice and easy, and there's not much to worry about. If you need unlimited access across multiple devices or for heavy data streams, then Straight Talk may be a little better for you. Now, let's talk devices. Both carriers let you bring your own compatible phone if you want to, but there are a few differences. Tracfone sells lower tier and mid-range smartphones, as well as basic flip phones, and the bring your own device is supported for most unlocked Verizon compatible devices. The activation process is usually straightforward, though you should always check your compatibility for features like your hotspot or your VO LTE. There are some other smartphones available on their website as well. It just depends what features you need. And Straight Talk also supports bring your own device, but their retail presence, especially in Walmart, Makes it easier to buy and activate a phone in person if you're looking to upgrade. From experience, this can save time, especially if you're looking to switch devices or you don't want to troubleshoot setup issues. And Straight Talk does offer free phones depending on the plan you sign up for. Again, it all depends on what compatibility and features you need. Customer service matters, especially when you're dealing with technical issues. Tracfone offers customer support over the phone and online. And for standard questions, this really isn't an issue. Sometimes there may be a complex device setup, but these are still readily remedied through their online support or over the phone. Straight Talk provides similar services online or over the phone, but they do have in-person help at retail locations as well, such as Walmart, which can be handy if you need hands-on assistance for device activating or troubleshooting. Both carriers are generally pretty effective. Straight Talk has a slight advantage with the face-to-face customer support option, but overall, none of the typical issues need face-to-face support and can normally be remedied over the phone or online with no problem. Some features stand out when you use these carriers day to day. Tracfone has a reward service that gives you points for signing up for a plan, purchasing a phone, and going about your day-to-day activities. They reward you for using your phone as you would. One of Tracfone's biggest perks, as we mentioned earlier, is the unlimited carryover plan. And this is genuinely useful if your usage varies and you aren't sure how much data you're going to need. Multi-month plans simplify budgeting, and a hotspot is available on some of the higher tier plans. The big benefit with Tracfone is it's simple and gives you complete control over your data and what you're going to need day to day. Some of Straight Talk's features are more geared toward the heavy users. Tiered unlimited plans, generous hotspot allowances, cloud storage, and perks through Walmart Plus. These perks are more meaningful if you rely heavily on your mobile services for streaming, work, or tethering a lot of different devices together. And the Walmart Plus perk can be a benefit as well if this is something that you're going to use regularly. Coverage maps only tell part of the story. In practice, Tracfone performs well for your light to moderate users, where high-speed data is sufficient for most tasks, but heavy tethering may trigger some bottlenecking in your data streaming. They do have international calling, again, the rewards program, and their unlimited carryover plans that should have you covered no problem, as long as you're not using the plan for heavy data streaming on multiple devices or for work. Straight Talk, especially when you're using the silver plan or above, handles multiple devices more consistently, especially when you're tethering them all together on the same data plan. And in some areas, the ultra wideband 5G can deliver slightly quicker speeds. The big recommendation is to check local 5G availability if you're relying on your high-speed data. Both carriers offer multiple ways to save, with auto refilling discounts for your minutes, multi-month plans. Both services offer military and veteran discounts, and the Affordable Connectivity Program, or ACP, can help reduce costs. These programs make a real difference, especially if you manage multiple lines or want predictable monthly bills, as would be the case with either service. So now, who benefits the most from which service? You would benefit the most from Tracfone if you need cost control, flexible data, and multi-month options. Ideal for teenagers, senior citizens, or light data users. Straight Talk would benefit you more if you use the high-speed unlimited data, need generous hotspot allowances, and perks like in-store support or Walmart Plus. These are ideal for larger families or heavy smartphone users or users who are tethering multiple devices together. Both carriers are pretty reliable on Verizon's network, and your choice really comes down to how much data you need, how many devices you use, and whether the flexibility or convenience matters more.